This is the back door to the house. When you walk in the back door, this is the room you come in. This is the utility room, washer and dryer. Annie. There's Annie's bed. There's a little closet back in there. And you walk up those few stairs to that door, and that goes into the dining kitchen area. I'll do a video of the rest of the house. I just want to do a quick short video of my new drone work area. Now, if you remember where I used to live, that big basement I don't have that anymore. This is what drone pool's been reduced to. See this little door right here? This goes into a little wet basement because it leaks. There's water down here. So you go down these stairs right here. We've got some storage right there. And you have to watch your head. But this is what drone pool's been reduced to. Watch your step. So this basement gets a little wet. But this is where I have to work on my drone. That's from. So this is my work area right here. I'm charging a phantom battery. Try and get a flight out tomorrow maybe. So here's some shelving. These are all cases to carry my drones. Tosco, that's a GPS drone. I need to get that out and check it out. I'm going to get rid of that drone right there. I'm not flying it. Got my one and only land vehicle. Got all my quads hanging up here. Not all of them. But I think I can make this work. Looks like I got plenty of shelving. Couple bolt bees, that's parts, empty boxes. QF7, my goggles, Viper goggles, I got plenty of storage, I think. Here's all my tools. Got that from Starcop, printed that. Still have my bugs too. Got parts, props, building parts in there, odds and ends in there. Got the Tyro, XJB 145, the Mantis. Got a couple drone pool coasters that Thomas printed for me. And my quads. Got my charger down here, got a concrete block right there for it to sit on. More parts. Got a bunch of lipos in there. So, this is it. This is my little area. Think I can make it work. I haven't had time to really work on anything. I just got it set up, ready to go. So hopefully I got a few things I need to do. I got a couple things I want to do on the Tyro 99. I got some stuff I want to do on that build. I got something I want to do on the Tyro 79. But all in all, for a small space, I think I got it set up pretty cool. It'll work for me. This is really all I need. I just got to condense everything, keep everything picked up and neat, because I just don't have the room to keep everything strung out like I used to. So, alright, I just want to give you an update on my drone area. I need to find somewhere to hang my drone pool banner, maybe on that wall over there. It's in that box right there. So I'll get that hung up. Vortex 180, build, Tyro, build. Alright, well, that's all I got. I better go see what Annie's tearing up. Real quick. There she is. You got anything you want to share, Annie? Huh? You got anything you want to share, Annie Pooh? What? Are you Annie? Hey, can you shake? Good girl. Give me your other paw. No, your other one. Your other one. Alright, just give me that one. Alright, this is Drone Pool, signing out.